Our professorial lectures are how we celebrate and showcase the work of our senior academic colleagues. They're an opportunity for those colleagues to draw together themes from across their research and show how that has shaped the research field, but also how it's influenced wider thinking, whether in public debate, public policy, or professional practice. The lectures also provide a snapshot of what the UCL Institute of Education is about, from our work examining the factors that help or hinder social mobility and social justice, to our analysis of how education systems are functioning in developing countries and at home in order to support more effective investment and practice. If you really want to dig into a topic, these lectures are for you.